If you're trying to remove PayPal from Calendly, this video will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. This is helpful if you no longer want PayPal connected, you want to switch payment methods, or you just want to clean up your integrations inside Calendly. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Calendly account using your normal email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a look at the menu and find the section labeled Integrations and Apps. This is where Calendly keeps all of the tools and services connected to your account, including payment integrations like PayPal. Go ahead and click Integrations and Apps. After that, you'll see a list of connected apps or available integrations. From this list, select PayPal. If PayPal is currently connected to your Calendly account, you should see an option that says Disconnect. Click Disconnect to begin removing the connection. Calendly may ask you to confirm your choice, so make sure you read the prompt carefully before continuing. If you're sure you want to remove PayPal, confirm the action. Once you do that, PayPal will be disconnected from your Calendly account. At this point, the integration is removed and you're all set. This means new Calendly events will no longer use PayPal through that connection. If you ever want to reconnect it later, you can always come back to the same integrations and apps area and set it up again. That's how you remove PayPal from Calendly quickly and easily. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.